Banalona. Oh! Ah! Mate! Come out! Keep my lamb to now. Please go open the door. Go open the gate. Ah! I'm losing my mind. Liam. Hey! Para sa back. You're gonna Puma up. This is my husband's house. I have the right to say whatever I need to say. Because this house is mine. You don't have total mine. Ah! I'm losing my mind. How can this What are you doing in my house? Liam and Tony Pumela one and Funi Puma.
Hey, I need to Puma, but next week you got one.
How dare you say that to me? Huh? Maybe you're suffering from a malaria that has to do with your sense of time. Oh! What a wow. What a wow, what a wow, what a wow. You are now starting to become crazy, where you need to ask me questions. And I don't blame you because you could be like nonsense, you made the amazing and I'm putting something like that.
But the moment I'm just amazing and what I'm now wasn't not going to pack. Oh, take away now when I'm there was a pack.
Oh yes, money can do whatever. I can buy people because I have money. Money buys everyone. And that is why they call me Tandela. Because I am from Italia. Maybe you are suffering from a malaria that has to do with your own sense of time. And do you know what is your problem? Maybe your problem is not about me. You! Joella! I'm doing everything in this house. I work so hard. Your dad was just a politician by name? He did not do nothing for you. I've worked so hard for this legacy of this family. Today I'm who I am. I present what I present. And I'm why you phone because they were saying phone is on and one thing. Because we are still waiting for your father's lawyer. We just want I want to know. Well, that go to Bali say Bali was told how many percent. Young phone. Hello? Ang Pilang! Utini! Minang Pilang! Hey! Young Joella for real. Yes, of course, you're speaking with me. Yes, you're speaking with me, Utanega. Inside my shack. Yes, of course. Yes, I'm inside my husband's shack here in Cape Town. What do you want to say? Yes. Okay. Sharp. Sharp. And you better tell Uli. Hey. Ha. The goal is to see. Mina Tanega. Angizulunga because it's beyond me. Hi, you can sit down. Yes, you're welcome in my house. Let me sit this side. Yes.
So lawyer.
That is why I called you. It's just because of I wanted to know my politician. I just wanted to know that. Yes. Are you welcome in my house? Let's pray. Oh, Baba One, Father of all days, I'm now here. Please listen and listen. I know Liam was just my husband's brother, sister, but strike Yema Association. If